Hello everyone. We have this question x equals 2 minus under root 3 and we have to find out the value of x square plus 1 over x square and the value of x square minus 1 over x square. So let's start the solution of this question. So 1 over x, we can write this x as 1 over x equals 1 divided by 2 minus under root 3, and then we will multiply and divide 2 plus under root 3. Then we will multiply the uh, numerator and denominator. So let's multiply. So after multiplication, we'll get this 2 plus under root 3 and as well as this 2 minus under root 3 into 2 plus under root 3. And here we'll use the algebraic identity a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So here we will use this algebraic identity. So therefore we can write this as 2 squared minus under root 3 squared, because a minus b, this a minus b into a plus b, this a plus b equals a squared minus b squared. And then this 2 squared will become 4, and this square will cancel this square root, so this will become 3. So 2 plus under root 3 divided by this 4 minus this 3, and 4 minus 3 equals 1, and finally we can write the value of 1 over x as 2 plus under root 3. So now we have the value of 1 over x, and in the next step we will add x plus 1 over x equals, so we have the value of both x and 1 over x, so we will put values over here. So x equals 2 minus under root 3 and then plus, and 1 over x equals 2 plus under root 3. And now here this minus under root 3 and plus under root 3 will cancel each other. So we have x plus 1 over x equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. So x plus 1 over x equals 4. And now we can take square on both sides. So let's squaring on both sides, we will get, so x plus 1 over x all squared equal 4 squared, and here we will use the formula a plus b whole squared, which is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So here we have a equal to x and b equal to 1 over x, and this is equals 4 squared, and 4 squared equals 16. And now this x and 1 over x will cancel each other. So finally we have x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 equals 16. So x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 equals 16, and then we will shift this plus 2 on other side of the equation. So this equation will become x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 16 minus 2. So as you know, 16 minus 2 equals 14. So this is the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 14, and this was our required value. So this is the answer of this question of this part, x squared plus 1 over x squared. And now we also find the value of x squared minus 1 over x squared. So for this purpose, first we will subtract x minus x and 1 over x. So x minus 1 over x equals, we will put the value of x, which is 2 minus under root 3, and then minus the value of 1 over x as 2 plus under root 3. And now x minus 1 over x equals 2 minus under root 3, and this minus when multiplied with these values, so this will become minus 2 and minus under root 3. So minus 2 and minus under root 3, because this minus when multiplied with this plus, so this will become minus. And here we have this plus 2 and minus 2, so plus 2 and minus 2 will cancel each other, and finally we have x minus 1 over x equals minus 2 under root 3, because minus under root 3 and minus under root 3 equals minus 2 under root 3. And in the next step Here we cannot square on both sides, because if we take square on both sides, so this value again will become x square plus 1 over x square. So it will not give us the required value, which is x square minus 1 over x square. So for this purpose, we can write x square minus 1 over x square equals x plus 1 over x into x minus 1 over x as algebraic identity s square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. So therefore, now we have the values of x plus 1 over x, and as well as we have the value of x minus 1 over x. So we will put these values. So our equation will become x square minus 1 over x square equals, so the value of x plus 1 over x equals 4, and the value of x minus 1 over x is minus 2 under root 3. And now we will multiply this 4 with this minus 2 under root 3. So our equation will become x square minus 1 over x square equals minus 8 under root 3. So this is the required value, which is x square minus 1 over x square equals minus 8 under root 3, and this is the required solution of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.